National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for central Frederick County in north-central Maryland until 9:30 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Frederick, Walkersville, Utica, Lewistown, Bloomfield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning will expire